Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we're going to be checking out the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq Tech. Now before we get started with this video, I know a lot of you guys in the market for a new or used vehicle or even a Cadillac Lyriq. If you guys want the absolute best pricing, check out the link in the description or in the pinned comment. But without further ado, let's check out the Cadillac Lyriq Tech, which you can get $7,500 off of right now. And yes, you guys heard that right. You can get $7,500 off of this vehicle with the Ultium Promise Bonus Cash. If you guys want to check out more information on that, check out the links in the description or in the pinned comment. But you can get the Cadillac Lyriq Tech for as little as $51,090. Now this is a ultra premium luxury SUV from Cadillac that is all electric. This one is the all-wheel drive variant, so it has some differences from the rear-wheel drive one. As you can see up front here, we have a very beautiful lighting animation on this vehicle. We have an illuminated Cadillac logo. Underneath the hood, there's nothing under there, no storage, just electric components to get the vehicle going. On the side of the Cadillac Lyriq Tech, we're going to have these Michelin self-sealing tires, so if you run over a nail or anything like that, it'll go ahead and seal itself. These are 265/50/20s, same size up front as they are in the back. We have these beautiful door handles, so if you walk up to the vehicle, they will poke out at you and let you know you can enter. Now for the key on the Cadillac Lyriq, you have your lock, unlock, remote start, you can open up the tailgate or use your panic button. When you lock the vehicle, the mirrors will fold in and those door handles will go back in place. If you unlock the vehicle, exact opposite thing happens. Side profile in this vehicle is very beautiful. We kind of have this notchback design with the rear lighting going all the way up to the roof. As you can see back here, we have our stop lights, as you can see there. So if you hit the brake, those will illuminate red. You can also push the Cadillac crest to open up the tailgate, or you can use the key. Back here we have a ton of storage space. You also do have some more underneath as well, as you can see there. Those seats will fold down if you need even more space, and as you can see, this one has the mats to keep everything protected. If you want to close the tailgate, you can use the key or push that button. Moving over to the charging port, as you can see, it is plugged in right now. You have your level 2 charger and you have DC fast charging capability. If you want to open up the charging port, you have to unlock the vehicle, hit that Cadillac logo, and if you want to close it, you can just hit this button right here. This one is the all-wheel drive variant with 307 miles of range, but they do make a rear-wheel drive one that has 314 miles of range. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seats. As you can see here, we have beautiful leather surfaces all the way around. You have your door handle to get out, window controls, and your lock and unlock for the second row. Even more beautiful leather seating surfaces all the way up with this kind of textile cloth on the side. Let's go ahead and take a seat back here. So I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day. I have plenty of headroom, plenty of leg room, and as you can see, we do have a moonroof above us. We have storage behind the driver and passenger seat, 2 AC vents back here, and we do have a couple of USB-Cs. Super comfortable back here. I love this leather. It's very comfortable. You have an armrest / cup holders right here in the center. So not a bad place to sit at all. Let's go ahead and go up front and power her on. Same style up here. You do have all of your seat controls for your power seat up front. You can move it forwards, backwards, up and down, and you can also recline and decline the seat. The Cadillac Lyriq Tech has heated seats, memory seats with 2 different settings, and an exit setting. You also do have your mirror adjustments down here, and you can fold in the mirrors with that button right there. Comes standard with blind spot monitoring. You also do have forward collision on this vehicle, door handle, and you can open up the tailgate with this button right here. So as you can see, that opens right up, so no need to get out the driver's seat. You can close it back by pushing that same button. As you can see here, we have our Cadillac speaker system with these beautiful accents all the way around. Let's go ahead and hop inside and start her up. So as you can see here, we have this beautiful animation that tells us how much range we have. Let's go ahead, put our foot on the brake, and we'll hit the start button. So we have a beautiful steering wheel in this vehicle, the Cadillac crest in the middle, forward collision, cruise control, all of that stuff on the left side. You can control the center screen by going up and down, hitting enter, and you can also turn your volume up and down. Scroll through your music. You have your music, phone, hands-free voice commands, and call dropping. Here's your shifter, so if you want to shift, you can pull forward for neutral, pull forward and up for reverse, and then pull forward and down for drive. If you want to go in park, you just push that P. You have all of your windshield wiper controls on the left side, and you can adjust this screen right here. So you can see your regular gauges. You can go to your energy tab. You have your built-in Google Maps, which I'll go ahead and demonstrate right now. So as you can notice, we have this beautiful touchscreen that wraps all the way around to the center. Inside this touchscreen, we're going to have our audio, which is your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, and you do have built-in Google Maps. So we'll go ahead and activate that. And as you can see, it wraps all the way around from this side to the left side. You also can see your assist tab, and you do have a clean layout as well. You can also see your trip odometers. And all of your light controls. So there's no manual light controls. You have to do everything from the screen. Electronic parking brake, lane keep assist, and an auto hold button where you can turn up or down your brightness on this middle screen. We have an AC vent for the driver, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the driver's side. AC vent for the driver, 1 in the middle, and then 2 for the passenger. Moving on to more features inside this touchscreen, you have your phones, Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you do have the 360 camera system. So you have a normal view where you can see in front of you and behind you. You have an overhead view, and you also do have a side view. You can also see all the way around the vehicle in this cool little display right here. As you can see, it accurately shows me what's around me, and you do have a hitch view. There's also a few different settings you can mess around with inside of here. You have your climate controls, auto park assist, settings, Wi-Fi hotspot, vehicle status. In this tab, you'll be able to see everything you need to know for your vehicle. So you can see your tire pressure, energy efficiency, energy usage, and tire pressure for all the other wheels. You have your charging tab, where you can set all of your charging setups. So if you want to charge during a certain time or stop at 80% or create a schedule, you can do all of that in this tab. You have controls for your vehicle. You can open up the glove box by pressing this button. Dome lights, power window lockout, auto high beams, auto park assist, and park assist. You also do have different themes in this vehicle. So this one's standard with flow, but you can view and purchase more in the My Cadillac app. Different drive modes in the Cadillac Lyriq Tech include Sport, Snow and Ice, My Mode, and Tour. Those will change the vehicle dynamics, so if you go into Sport mode, it'll increase the throttle response and it'll tighten up the steering wheel for you. You have the My Cadillac app, Google Podcast, and Google News. So very intuitive touchscreen from Cadillac on this vehicle. Moving down to the center, we have a center floating console with plenty of storage space underneath. You have a USB-C. You can turn your volume up or down. You have your navigation, phone, music. You can go back home, and you can also control the touchscreen with this dial. So as you can see there, you can push down on it and control whatever you need to. 2 cup holders in the middle. We also do have this center console that we can lift up on. That reveals a wireless phone charger and a couple of phone chargers in there as well. Moving up to the center, we have our OnStar buttons. We have our moonroof controls where we can open up the shade. Now, this one has the one where it doesn't actually open up into a moonroof. It's just a glass roof, much like the Teslas, but the nice thing is you have a shade that you can open or close. Makeup mirror for the driver and passenger side. And we have our rear view mirror. But really intuitive interior design on this vehicle. I'm a super big fan of it, and you really can't beat it for that $51,000 price tag. But let's take one last look at the outside of the vehicle. Sorry if it sounds like I'm slamming the doors. I'm really not. I'm just inside an enclosed area and it's really loud. But let's take a look at the price tag on this one. So this is the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq Tech. Exterior is opulent blue metallic with a Noir interior. Standard price of the Cadillac Lyriq Tech is $57,195. So if you add on that destination charge and with a $7,500 tax savings, you can get this vehicle for $51,090 before tax, tags, and fees. This one's all-wheel drive, has the driver assist package, opulent blue metallic with a front license plate bracket. So with destination charge, this one comes out to $65,130. 307 miles of range, and here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause the video and take a look at it. But guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed very much. If you did, make sure you leave a like down below. Subscribe down below for more car content. Also, let me know your thoughts on the Cadillac Lyriq Tech. Does it beat out all the other luxury EVs, or is there something better? Let me know in the comments down below. You'll also see some videos here in the corners, so if you see anything that interests you, make sure to click on those and check them out. But that's it for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching very much, and I'll see you next time.